Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain Portugal's diverse landscapes. Portugal offers a stunning variety of natural beauty, from its extensive Atlantic coastline to its rugged interior mountains. You'll discover lush green valleys in the north and sun-drenched plains in the south. This country truly presents a rich tapestry of environments, inviting exploration of its unique geographical features and charming regions. Portugal's coastline is incredibly varied and beautiful, stretching for over 1,000 miles. The southern Algarve region is famous for its golden sands and impressive rock formations. Further north, the wild Atlantic coast provides excellent conditions for surfing, with powerful waves. Charming fishing villages and vibrant seaside towns dot the entire shoreline, offering picturesque views and fresh seafood. Moving inland, Portugal reveals a different kind of beauty. Central areas feature rolling hills and fertile river valleys, while the Serra da Estrela Mountains offer cooler climates and winter snow. The Douro River Valley is renowned for its terraced vineyards, producing world-famous wines. In the south, the vast Alentejo plains are characterized by cork oak forests and olive groves. Portugal's cities are rich in history and architectural charm. Lisbon, the capital, boasts ancient neighborhoods, impressive castles, and grand boulevards. Porto is famous for its picturesque riverside district and iconic bridges. Throughout the country, you'll see traditional buildings adorned with vibrant, colorful tiles. Many towns also feature well-preserved Roman ruins and medieval castles, reflecting a long and storied past.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.